Craving a fast and delicious meal to prepare in your own kitchen for you and a friend? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with Avocado Ranch Chicken Salad. So let's get started. Let's prepare the Avocado Ranch Dressing. Fresh lime juice is best. Time to prepare the chicken breast.
Yep.
The avocado has a rich and fascinating history. Avocados are native to the highlands of South Central Mexico and Guatemala. Evidence suggests that while avocados were consumed in Mexico 10,000 years ago, cultivation began 5,000 years ago. Avocados were first introduced to Florida and Hawaii in 1833 and arrived in California in 1856, where it eventually became a major crop there. The country of Mexico is the largest producer of avocados. Let's build the salad. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The chicken breast is grilled perfectly. The green leaf lettuce is fresh and crisp. Creamy ripe avocados add a buttery richness that perfectly complements the lean chicken. And of course, the homemade avocado ranch dressing adds a tangy kick. The bacon bits and tortilla strips round out the party for added texture and crunch. I would like to hear from you. Please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one fast and delicious lunch. Stay with us. Watch the next video.